We're on our way to
Woods Hole.
Woods Hole. To take the ferry to Martha's Vineyard. Mom?
Yes?
What are you doing?
I'm doing nothing right now.
What are you doing to your hair?
I
Just
have
put curlers in it.
Okay.
my curlers.
No one remind her when she gets out of the car.
I would be very embarrassing.
It would be hilarious. Dad, what day is it today? Dad?
It's the 25th of June.
Which means?
It's middle of 6 months to Christmas.
Oh, come on, Dad. What is
It's my birthday, of course.
your birthday? My dad's old today. Older today. That's a number.
It's a marker.
An old number.
Gee,
Yes, Mom. You're in your 40s in your dreams.
On Mars, is it?
Just talking about the hotel that we stayed. What was it called, Dad? Sandwich Lodge? Because we missed our first night there, they gave us the refund, which was really nice of them. We didn't have to do that.
It was a good hotel. It was a nice place.
It was a nice place. Yeah, it's true.
Apart from the fire.
There wasn't a fire. Some girl just toasted her toast too much.
I know, but the fire department came.
Yeah, the whole fire department came.
my toast, the lady that's behind me with the red shirt is, I was toasting one because I don't want to eat another one, but I want just one. I was waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, it doesn't come out. So I decided to pick it up. Oh my God, it's darker than I am. I said, both of us are laughing. And she said, oh Lord. So I said, that's what happened with this girl.
Yeah, no, that's exactly what happened.
That's right.
That's
So,
right. Look,
yeah.
you're so
All right,
pretty.
come on.
I am so pretty.
What were you saying earlier?
It meant to happen so that we can stay here and we can go to that place
To shop?
to shop. Yes,
That's what the Lord intended.
yes. I think that's what it is.
I'm actually taking a video now.
Stop.
It's a bumpy ride, huh? Bumpy.
Yes,
It's not that sunny of a day.
It's nice though. You don't want it too sunny. It's warm though.
oh, this is nice. I like it this way.
Yeah?
No, the sun is not that much.
It's pretty.
It's a nice painting. Like it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It is, isn't it?
That's very pretty. You want to go exploring?
45 minutes.
Yeah. Can I go
Alright.
to sleep for 45 minutes?
You could sleep at 45
Come on, let's go then.
You guys go.
Life jackets are located throughout the vessel in plainly marked boxes under the seats in the snack bar area and
It's very windy. I don't know if I can do this here. So that was embarrassing.
Why?
Well, it's so windy up there that when I went up there, my skirt just flew right up above my head. Yeah.
Luckily, you have your
My shorts on, yeah.
Got
But-
thongs.
No, I don't wear thongs for that specific reason. Look at the view. Mom, it's beautiful here, eh?
Well, we can't go in here because there's a wedding here.
Yeah, 2 years ago, yeah. So your outfit of the day. Model for me. Give me a pose. Oh, with the wind. Here. Air blowing into the wind. Like a... Finally here at Martha's Vineyard at Queen. And we're going to the beach. And we're here. Oof. Getting sand in my shoe. Oh, it's warm. Smells like the ocean. Woof, there's a lot of rocks here.
There's a lot of what?
Rocks. Oh my God! Nope. 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 No. No. That is cold. That is very cold. So if I go on this, whoa. on this rock here. There we go. Oh! Oh, Lord. See? There's a rock there, but I don't think I can make that one. Pretty nice. Oh, the sun's out now. When do we have to head back?
Well, since your sister's not here, an hour.
An hour?
There's nudists there.
Take a picture?
You found a bunch of nudists?
Yeah.
What was
Well,
And let me guess, they were all a bunch of fat people.
old men.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? Like, I ended up walking back because this guy started following me.
A naked guy? Oh.
And they're horrible in form. Even if they were bigger, I wouldn't be able to catch these.
Here she is, the bravest one.
Are you kidding me? She's not the one who had to deal with nudists following her.
Bye, see. Goodbye. 'Twas interesting. It's very pretty. It's good.
It's nice and cool.
What? Beautiful.
What time is the...
Next bus comes in an hour, so it's fine.
Seriously?
Do we have to wait at this airport for an hour?
No, if we miss the bus, he said shortly, but if we miss it, it's an hour.
Alright. I don't really want to be stuck at this airport for an hour. But I gotta say, cutest airport I've ever seen.
It's a cute little airport, isn't it?
Yeah, it's adorable. The backdoor donuts, Boston cream.
They wouldn't let you get more than one?
No, they'll let you get as many as you want, but typically you can buy, you know, half a dozen.
Yeah, I thought you would.
No, they're like $1.75 for one. On the other side, it's for half a dozen, it's like $5 during the day. But these are fresh.
Yeah, yeah.
How is it?
Greasy.
Greasy?
Not a fan?
I don't like sweet stuff.
Oh.
I miss my boyfriend.
She misses her boyfriend. Dad, what'd you call him again?
The boy toy.
Not in front of their faces.
The nude guy today.
And a new guy today.
Well, he has a toy.
I didn't want to say this, but he was actually...
Oh! Oh!
It's disgusting. That is really...
So he was really happy to see you.